In a quiet lab, a tiny bubble sits in liquid, pulsing as sound waves tighten around it. When the bubble collapses, a brief flash of light appears, born from extreme pressure and temperature inside. Called sonoluminescence, this shows acoustic energy turning into light at microscopic scales. Researchers tune the frequency to coax brighter bursts, using bubbles to probe cavitation and fundamental physics. What looks like magic is a precise interaction of pressure, heat, and chemistry inside a tiny droplet.